How much they transfer to your account?
400,000.
Why una collect the money for the boy hand?
We threaten him.
Una threaten him?
Yes, sir. Let him give us the money. We will leave him. After
Talk like that.
We will threaten him. Let him give us the money. We will leave him. After he give us the money, we will now drop him and carry the cargo.
Hey, wait, my people. Nothing where Musa no go see for gate, nothing where we no go see for our fake soldiers' hand. My people, hello, my people. I greet you. I greet the followers from Untouchable. My also na they found now do as una tell everything. They share, comment, like. God go bless una. I really appreciate una well. Without una who be me for real. Please continue to be helping me to be sharing my video, like my video, leave your comments, okay? Then on the pay put, okay? My people, as I see this video, the thing shocked me. I was like, I know say all those things that they happen. Not be say I don't know. When I see this man, when I just see so, this one a soldier, okay? The other one na friend wey be say he come from Abuja, come greet this black one wey dey for front so for Delta. He come greet his friend for Delta. So this one na Delta na dey stay. As his friend come, he come tell am say, wetin wan happen so I go give you soldier cloth make you wear. Hey, you don't know say me dey talk all the time say all this highway robber, OG Bole, who they give them all these bas when they carry for hands? Who they give them the cloths? Now those one where we think say they be real. Now they give the fake one, make them they wear. Simple as ABC. Just a very simple thing. Now they give them clothes. He can't give his friends or tell and say, he get one boy where be say, na Yahoo boy. Say they want go meet her. You understand? You know, say when they go there your area, because this one now, this man now, where the first one now, this black one now. For the area, in they watch all those boys where be say they get BB cars. Because for their mind now all boys where be say get BB car, all of them are Yahoo. So then go they try to they try to they oppress them, they threaten them, they do everything, you know. So when the friends come meet her, he not say friend no be soldier. He can't tell and say, okay, I go give you clothes. He get one boy when we want go meet. The boy na Yahoo boy. May we go meet her. We will make sure say he give us money. We go threaten and do everything. After when they don't do that one, my people, they really go. And that his friends can't tell and say, okay, may we go. Then they can't go. As they go, now hand come meet them. Hand come meet them. Now they start to they confess wetin they plan, wetin they want go, wetin they go do. They do how, not they say they don't do how. When they reach there, they tell the boy say, oh yeah, no, our people when they tell they do, oh yeah, or you give us money or you give us this one. First of all, they collect it, car key, they carry the car, they carry a phone. Now understand, they carry am. This boy wey be say they say na Yahoo boy, he transfer money 400,000. They say may put am for the account. They put am for this first one where we just see. They put am for the account 400,000. Carry am. He carry the car. Where he be one carry am they go because God was so kind. They cash them. Not be everybody one at the thing say he wear fine clothes, he they drive big car, all of them are Yahoo. Some day where be say then they do online trained. You understand? Then they train for online, then they make their money cooler. No matter say they not get office where they go. But some of them they like that, we really wise, we know how to use all this internet of it. Now they call the ask them say, this car where we not want carry and go. This man say get one allergy for Abuja where be say they buy car from them. I believe say that allergy now that one don't see enter one chance because car where be say then the thief now in the buy for Abuja. Can you imagine my people? All this one now it makes some cities in our people they go there if they see Ogbalegbe they will try to They fight, follow them, they drag because they don't know whether na real, whether na fake. How you want to know? They not write down for years. Say this one I be real, this one I be fake. Sometimes you go even say make them bring make them bring their documents out. Their documents na fake. They go fake and you not go know. Wait till they no fit do for that country. In all day, my people. I was like, after una collect the money, una collect the phone, una still collect the car. We una want carry and go, una be want go sell am for one alaji. May I put am? May we listen. One and see wetin they come out for their mouth. How person go tell know the real and the fake? You can't tell. You can't know. You know if you know. Hey, now wow. Let's listen to them.
Hello, Mr. Man. What is your name?
My name is Ibrahim Adamusa.
Talk louder.
My name is Ibrahim Adamusa.
Who are you?
I'm in Nigerian Navy.
Where do you serve?
I'm serving in Wari.
Where?
Wari, Delta State.
Okay. Who is this?
Nigerian Correctional Service, sir.
What do you serve?
Kaduna, sir.
What did bring you come Delta State?
I go course.
Continue talking.
I go course. And I follow my friend place. And this happen.
Nothing happened. You come Delta, come visit your friend. Who be this your friend? What he be name? Adamu Ibrahim. Now you come visit. Which work Adamu Ibrahim they work?
He's a soldier.
He's a soldier. What will be your service number?
My service number is 2126. 2126.
2126.
Yes, sir.
Which
NA are you?
I'm 30 AK.
30? 30 what?
AK.
30
AK.
AK.
Atila. Inside the Navy, will be which area you specialize on? What they recruit you? Are you a driver or mechanic?
Driver and mechanic, sir.
Okay, specialist.
Specialist.
Not specialist.
You will be civil correctional service. Now this uniform are they wear?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Who can give you this uniform when you wear?
It's my friend.
What will happen before he give you?
They say one go see one guy, one Yahoo boy.
Okay.
Tonight we go meet him.
Okay.
Tonight he give me the clothes I wear.
Now you come here. Okay.
Yes.
What you can happen from there?
We collected him car
Yes.
and moved with the car.
What of your phone?
I collected his phone again.
What of money?
And he transfer money for us.
How much?
400,000.
Okay. How much do you reach your hand?
No,
400,000. How much they transfer to your account?
400,000.
Why not collect the money from the boy hand?
We threaten him.
Una threaten him?
Yes, sir. Let him give us the money. We will leave him. After
Talk louder.
We will threaten him. Let him give us the money. We will leave him. After he give us the money, we will now drop him and carry the cargo.
Will not drop on and carry the cargo.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who you want give the car to?
One allergy for Abuja.
Alaji for Abuja.
Yes, sir.
You know his name?
No. I only know him with allergy car dealer.
Car dealer.
Yes,
And you know a house.
Yes, sir. I know his car.
You know he can't stand. Okay. You tell your friend Abdul Wahab say when they go for robbery.
Yes. No, I just only tell him that we want to go and meet
Somebody, but you not tell us now.
That people, una see, now make people they fear. They don't know the real, they don't know the fake one. Because the fake one, they're many. You not go feel no. Now wow, not be everybody be Yahoo, not be everybody now with the harass. Can you imagine? Just come up for inside your house, not be say you dead duty because of say you wear a cloth. Just go person house say, I suspect say you be Yahoo. Oh yeah, give me your car key, give me your phone. That's what they do now. Send money to my account. What do you want to use the money to do? Now your money. Now so if maybe na Yahoo, now so you supposed to be. Say maybe you want to go arrest her. Not be so you supposed to be. Now see the way they tell they do. Now see then. I pray make this one now may still go inside. May I clear well. Thank you for coming, my people. One love keep us together. Please share this video. Leave your comments. I appreciate each and every one. God bless you. Bye for now.